Replace 33 kilo ohms with 820 kilo ohms. This video is sponsored by JLCPCB, the world's leading PCB manufacturer. They supplies high-quality PCBs at very low prices. You can print your PCB in various number of colors and number of different materials. Now introducing flexible PCBs. Discover the exciting opportunity to order flexible PCBs at absolutely no cost. Also, you can make PCB with up to 20 layers, overcoming the limitations, as well as enjoy free assembly services for 1 to 6 layer PCBs. JLCPCB's ordering process is very easy. First, you need to design your PCB using an EDA tool. After designing the PCB, generate the Gerber file and upload it to the JLCPCB website. Now it is ready to order, ready to add to cart and check out. After a few days, you will get your order to your doorstep. Sign up with the link in description and get $60 new user coupon. Here, I mistakenly added 2.2 kilo ohms instead of 220 ohms. Sorry for that and used 220 ohms. Lantern, established in 2017, stands as a prominent electronic component distributor within the industry. Upholding the fundamental business philosophy of original components and people-oriented, Lantern consistently delivers comprehensive electronic component procurement solutions and exceptional after-sales services. Its commitment to offering genuine components has garnered widespread recognition and trust within the industry. Visit Lantern official website to explore their wide range of services. When you first power up the receiver, all the LEDs will light up. This is normal. To fix this, power on the transmitter and slide the channel selection switch left and right. Now it is ready to transmit data. If the bottom of the PCB touches your hand, the circuit will not work properly. So cover the bottom surface of the PCB. You can change your channel using channel selection switch. This is a simple application. I use this. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to leave a comment about this project. It will be very helpful to me.